I'm Maureen from Mobility Plus. Thank you for purchasing your golden Buzzaround carry-on travel scooter. I'm going to talk to you today about charging your scooter properly. You will have a charger with two ends, one that goes into the wall and a three-pronged end that goes into the scooter. You will find the charging plug right under the steering mechanism. Just plug it straight in, then take the regular plug, put it right into the wall. There will be a red light on the charger box that will let you know that the scooter is charging. Once the scooter is completely charged, this red light will turn green. You can also plug this scooter in to charge it at the battery itself. You're just going to push this button here. You'll find an area where the three-pronged portion goes right in.
Lastly, it's important to note that you should not leave your scooter charging for more than overnight. This can expand the battery and cause a lot of problems and damage to the batteries, causing you to have to replace them more regularly. So just make sure that you charge your scooter only overnight, no longer, and unplug it in the morning, and you should be ready to go. We also recommend that you do this just once a week. If you use your scooter more often and it needs a charge, feel free to charge more than once a week. But if you are just letting your scooter sit or you haven't used it in a couple days, remember to charge it at least once a week overnight and no longer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your scooter.